Every grower in this business is chasing the same thing. Not yield, not THC numbers. Terps. The smell, the taste, the character of the flower. And every grower has watched it disappear. Here's the question no one wants to answer. What if the spray you're using to protect your plant is the same thing destroying everything you love about it? Because trichomes are not just decoration, they are the factory. Terpenes, cannabinoids, the entire chemical character of the flower, all of it is produced inside trichome cells. And every common spray on the market is built to damage them. Neem oil dissolves trichome heads. Sulfur burns pistils and strips trichomes. Essential oil sprays are fat-soluble, and so are your trichomes. They dissolve on contact. The industry's own guides tell you, stop neem at least 3 weeks before harvest. Stop sulfur before flower. Stop essential oils entirely on flowering plants, which is exactly when pathogen pressure is highest. So the grower is stuck choosing: spray and damage the harvest, don't spray and lose the harvest. Unless there's a third option, which is Grower's Choice Plant Guard eliminates the compromise. Engineered for safe, continuous use throughout the entire growth cycle, it protects your canopy without melting trichomes or sacrificing your terpene profile. Don't wait for a crisis to protect your quality. Shop at growerschoiceplantguard.com.